Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a sound test between the JBL Clip 3 versus the JBL JR Pop. See which one actually sounds better.
This one has a 3.3 watts and this one has 3 watts, which is very close. I'm surprised how close it is. This one's just a little bit smaller than this one. As you can see, for the waterproof casing, I don't know why, but this one's exposed. It's waterproof, but on this one, on the clip, it's actually covered. All the ports are covered. See, this one has a regular strap, and this one has like a aluminum or plastic strap on it. This one costs 60 bucks. This one costs 30 bucks. 5 hours of battery, 10 hours of battery. Let's turn both of them on.
Next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Just escape for a moment. Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Just to make me feel again I wanted something real. So just escape for a moment. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
First thing I want to say is that both these speakers sound amazing. I'm impressed by how both of them sound. They sound really, really good. But as you can tell, this one sounds good. It has good bass, good sound quality. It has good volume. But this one, pretty sure you noticed in the video, this one has much more bass than the JR, and the volume goes much higher. I would say the volume goes about 30 to 35% higher in volume. But that doesn't mean this one's not a good one to get, because everybody looks at different things when buying a speaker. For example, me, if I were to buy a speaker, I want the most bass, the highest volume, sound quality and all that. So I would choose this one over this one. But since everybody has different tastes, maybe another person is not looking for the most bass. Maybe they're just good with enough bass, enough volume, so they would choose this one. Or they like that there's different colors on this one. They're like, oh, this bland black color, it's boring, so they will go with this one. Or probably they like the strap, it's a flexible strap, and this is a fixed, doesn't move, you know. Maybe this one is because this one's smaller, they would choose this one, and this one's much bigger. Maybe they like the lights, this one don't have lights. It all depends what you're looking for. More battery life or less battery life. And if you get a chance, try to listen to them in person. You'll get a good perspective of how they sound. But they're both good. This is half the price. Remember that. 60 bucks. Let me know what you guys think about these speakers, but they sound amazing. You're all about the bass. You want more bass, more bass. You want to hear that music pumping, the house shaking. You would choose this one. You don't care about that? Choose this one. It doesn't matter. I know it looks like a little like kid stuff. Who cares? It's not that bad. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about these speakers, and if you decide you're gonna get one, which one you're gonna get.